Hey everyone, it's Coach Chris coming at you with a quick review of Friday's trading rather, and quick outlook for the week up ahead. This is a 2-minute chart of the MNQ. I've got this set up right now for Friday morning, and remember I'm on Central Time, Central Daylight Time, and so right here is 7 o'clock Central Daylight Time. The New York Open is right in this region. And I've got the AccuTrader.net indicator on the chart right now, just to show you quickly some really nice trades we had. There was some news that came out. I think it was non-farm payrolls came out on Friday morning at this candle right here, which was at 7:30 my time, and you can see we had triggered. Apologize about this popping up. I've got two TradingView trade tools on the screen because I want to illustrate something quickly in a minute here. But at around 7:15, we got triggered into a long trade right down here. That's what this green symbol is, a long trade. So we bought the market here. This is a 2-minute chart. And so when the news came out, we were already into the trade, thank goodness. We put our stop, remember, down 25 points. That's this red area down below when this flash is on there. And I've also got it illustrated with these lines right here. I'm going to change the color of this to red if I can quickly, just to show you where the stop loss would have been here below the market. Entry candle here, stop loss here. This was our entry zone, this blue, and then this is our profit goal up here. You can see here, obviously the news benefited us, but it pulled back. And then this red candle right here is or this red X rather, right here is our first take profit. Recommended take profit, 132 points right out of the gate. It continued up and eventually went up, let's just call it 180 points. It then consolidated here up at this level for a while. This was pre-market, remember. This was 7:30. It consolidated till the market opened here at 8:30, and we got into a sell. We got a sell trigger. Here again, we put the stop loss 25 points below the market, and boom, look what this thing did. We had our first take profit here, which was 50 points. And then this went down eventually more than wiping out and erasing this whole up move from the news release. So basically you had 400 points worth of movement between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Obviously I didn't catch everything, but I caught about a quarter of this up move and about half of the down move. So a nice little trades. These are regular candlestick. They're not Heikin-Ashi candles or anything like that. I prefer the 2-minute because it smooths out the movement of the chart a little bit more than the 1-minute does. So we then got triggered into 3 consecutive really nice trades, not home runs, but nice base hits. I mean, it's 100 points here, and then another one to the downside, 60 plus points, and then another one here, another 70 plus points. So I mean, the indicator was working really, really nice in the morning, and that's why I recommend with this particular indicator. It works best when we have some momentum in the market. That's what triggers this. And then we need that momentum to continue pulling the market in the direction we enter in. And we were getting that. You can see here there was some consolidation. But for the most part, when it triggered into a trade, we got that nice big push candle, continuation, down short, big push candle. Never in any jeopardy with our trades of going negative or taking any heat. Same thing, big push candle. And then it was kind of hit and miss, I guess I'll say, the rest of the day. But by then you should have had a nice profit. So that's enough of the review now for Friday. We've got another big week coming up. We've got some big economic news, mainly later in the week. I think it's on Thursday and Friday. And we can see from last week that the market still is very economic news sensitive, especially those that can affect interest rates. I think a lot of people were thinking after the Fed released their last big interest rate drop of 0.5%. I think a lot of people were thinking that the Fed was going to be very aggressive in their upcoming meetings and continue, to do 0.5-point drops and stuff. Where now, based on some of the economic and unemployment news we're seeing, that may not be the case. So the market right now is kind of sensitive in when we get these economic news releases of trying to predict a nice little run up here, 100-point run up, predict what the Fed might be doing at their next meeting. So really should be a lot of positioning. I don't know tomorrow, Monday, what we're going to see. I don't think we'll see a lot of fireworks. We may see some movement at the open of people positioning themselves for later in the week, but we shall see. So Monday should be a good day. Tuesday, Wednesday may not be the greatest, but I really think Thursday and Friday are going to be big days for us. So be ready. Keep your mental trading capacity clear and ready for when we are getting the biggest movements. And have a good evening, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Coach Chris out.